welcome back to our survival series, and we are going to be playing on our world. Of course we are. See, diamonds. Oh my god, that was just amazing yesterday. Still got 2 diamonds left, because I have already made my diamond helmet. Where's my diamond pick? Huh. Dory made a... Or did I make the helmet first? No, I didn't. Huh. I don't know, guys. But it's okay, we don't really need a diamond pick. It's all cool. We'll just make a diamond sword. To kill, pigs easier. Kill animals easier. That's pretty much what we're gonna do. But yeah. So that's what I'm gonna start up in this episode. I didn't do much while you guys were not tuning in. Nothing much. Let's put this in here. Get that. And I already had wood. I am so freaking retarded. Let's do this. And then that. And that. Beautiful. Okay. Yesterday I saw 8 million pigs over here. I don't know where they all went. Are we, okay. Sorry. It's just a peaceful kind of survival. So, get pork chops. I've had to make the helmet first because I thought for sure that I had made the diamond pick first. But it's all cool, and this time I know I have wood, but I'm just getting more wood. Just gonna chop, 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 chop. I'm sorry guys, you can hear the sound. I actually unplugged my headphone. I just think maybe if I update my software, you guys will be able to hear it. But I will literally fix that for you guys. Sorry about the sound. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing else really to talk about. Actually, I'm gonna pause the video real quick, get some wood. I will be right back to you guys in just a second. Peace. Okay, so apparently I can't get wood without recording, which is literally the dumbest thing ever. So, whatever. We'll grab some pigs, because eventually we are going to turn this in. Sorry. To a normal serve, like just easy or normal, whatever you guys want. So yeah, and it's got a message. Oh, it's from my dad. Okay. How's school going? Oh, I'll text him later. Got you guys right now. But if you guys want to know how school's going, it's going pretty okay. A lot of, not really as much homework as I expected, I guess. I can't complain. There's no way. So let's grab this. Boom, 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 boom. That should do it. Fix that real quick. I don't have a bed yet, right? No, alright, let's make a bed. Boom, boom. Bang. Let's go. And we might as well we'll just, live here for our survival season. It's not going to be like this the whole time. Sooner or later, that village is going to be turning into something totally different. This house is going to be expanded, upgraded, upstairs, pool, and all that jazzy jazz. It's going to be a mansion. And apparently, if you guys watch this, we can just take one apple. One apple. So watch this, guys. So, you know, boom, golden nuggets, all cool. But that, I don't get a golden apple. I don't know why. Nothing, it just doesn't, it's retarded. I don't know if it's maybe a, update or something, but I don't know. Oh, and my mom just got home, so if you hear it come in, my apologies. But good idea, just came nighttime. Let's do this. Which I will be right back, guys. 1 second. Okay, let's. This is what I should have made that right there. But it's okay. Let's get this. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's go. No, I'm probably unlikely to find stone. Okay, over there. Oh, lag, it's okay. I have one lag, pretty much. Alright. Sooner or later, I'm gonna make a secret base. But you guys can know. But, like, if I grab my stuff to my friends or something like that, it's, I don't know. OMG. Perfect. Let's get some cool. Ah! Sorry. Is there any cool happening? No. Should be good. If you guys don't know, I'm using a Screencast-O-Matic, and so I only can record for 15 minutes. So I try to stop it early as much as I try to go pretty long as much as I can. So like last video, I think it was 13:30, right? I don't know how. No, my helmet's gonna. No. I am not an Adventure Time fan. I know, I change my skin a lot, but this I should be sticking to for a very long time. What? Oh! The lag! Holy moly! That's like, I don't know, lag. Like, why am I still here? What? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm losing control. Alright, let's get more, stone, like I should be doing. Oh, actually, perfect. I can use this to make a table. Put this right about here. Oh dear. This makes 6. Put that there. Get that. And make it done. Done. There we go. You're going to get a lot of crap furnaces, so try to get at least a stack or a whole row. Speaking of a whole row, 1 second, guys. I'm gonna go count. Be right back. Guys, found that I need 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm trying 6. Alright. I am only at 16. No way. Well, hang on. See how much I can make. Right now. Okay, I can make 2. Sooner or later, I'm gonna break this, and this. Oh, okay, I can do that too. we need a little background noise. That's the train. Sorry about that. So now I need 4 furnaces. Right? Yeah, 4 furnaces. Oh, jeez. Mamma mia. Hola, bye-bye, shikwa-bye. That creeped me out. Oh my god. Get some of that. Kung Fu Fighting. Alright. Once I'm done with all my furnaces, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video. Or maybe sooner. Because it's about 11-20 seconds right now. That's how long so far I've been doing this. So yeah. Hopefully I can finally let the... Okay. Hey cow. Come die. Alright. Did you... Look at this stuff, man. You got this... You need that stuff. Any iron in here? That's also one thing I need is iron. Oh, here we go. There has to be iron. Okay, first let's get the coal. Or grab... Or... cobblestone. Hey! Oh, and if you guys want to go check out Captain Sparkles just went live on Twitch. Oh my god. He's probably gonna play some my night. We got 8, 16, what is it, 24, 3, it should be good. Yeah, I'm good, alright. Let's just get this coal. Hopefully I can make it back to my house before the video ends. Say goodbye to you guys. We should be able to. Okay, ready? Any more coal? Okay, we're good. Go, 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 go. It's an Olympic race. Hang on. Okay, now it is. I like to see my hand. Forget your coal. I have fans. Actually, not really. My fans are not plugged in. But they will. Alright, let's go. Michigan's hot as heck. Oh, there's a cave! There's a cave! There's a cave! No, I have to go though! Go, 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 go! Go! It's been 13 minutes. Yeah! Go, go, go. Teleport me. Ender Pearl. Woocha! Just joking. Boom, 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 boom. We did it! Alright. That nonsense. It's disgusting. Alright, let's get this. Got 1. We did it. Boom. With 7 left. Phenomenal. Alright. So, I will see you guys next episode of the survival episode. Pow, pow, pow. And I hope you guys are enjoying the series. You know, I only have 3 subscribers, but hopefully you guys are enjoying this, and peace. Bye bye bye.